All right. Good evening, everybody. Here we go again. Today I start a little bit earlier and I will not be around for very long. Roughly half an hour, I think. Let's see if we can do something better with this. I was thinking about... Oh yeah, something else important happened. Stratfather has fixed some issues with this indicator because it had some errors. So I will need to create a new chart actually. Please let me know if the sound is too loud, the music on the background. Okay, let's see how many charts do I have. Oh man, I said yesterday that I'm still waiting to buy the upgrade for the premium version of TradingView, but I think I will do it quicker than I was expecting because I want to try so many configurations that it's a little bit annoying if you really work with a lot of them. Okay, let's delete this and let me delete this as well. And let's create a new chart layout. And whoa, what's happening with Bitcoin, guys? Oh my god, a push. Look here, Jesus. Wow, it's almost 2000. It's 2000, around $2,000 up from 2 hours ago. Are you kidding? 3 hours ago. Wow, huge. What's this? Is this a bull trap or something? Wow, it went up 12, almost 13% in the from 2 days from yesterday. Wow, that's crazy. Looking good. I'm not sad about this. That's good. But look here, so much volatility. Wow, from here the drop going up and again going up again, slowly down. So much money to be made here, guys. So much money to be made. Wow. Yes, indeed. Let's go here and let's go to the EMA cross. Wow. Yeah. Look here, this volume right here. I was in 1 hour. Let me use that one. Yeah. It has not, like, here was the same. Here was much higher, of course. But yeah, interesting. Interesting stuff. Please don't forget, or not don't forget, don't hesitate to say hi in the chat if you are around. Okay, so I loaded this config with the default settings. Yeah, I should zoom in, I guess. Let's zoom in. Okay, come on guys, what's happening? Why are you not zooming in? Okay, I will do it this way then. If you don't want to cooperate. Yeah, let's go with 120 to have a little bit more space here. Okay, so we got a good configuration from the get-go. So the settings TradePro had in his script were not too bad to start with. But let's see, I think he has enabled both of them. The longs and shorts, yeah. Let's see what happens if we're okay, we're good. But yeah, it's definitely not good. Yeah, this is a trending upwards time. So is the time for longs. Let's have a look here. Yeah, it's quite sad that during this times you lose. But yeah, what is not nice about this indicator is this. You'll have your entries many times. Above, like most of the time you'll have a pullback immediately after your entry. Most of the time. Sometimes it goes up as well, but most of the time it's something like this, and sometimes it goes up. But almost always comes like this, and after that goes up. Just from curiosity. Okay, let me stop this because it's taking bandwidth from me. Okay, cool. Let's clean this and not use this anymore. All right. Okay, so let's see. Does he have close position? Yeah, so this is his approach, and he's using, okay, yeah, let's not forget about that. I completely forgot. Let's use $1,000 and let's use commission 0.04 for now. And oh, that's good. It did not have a very big impact. All right, where is the order size? I want to have 100% of equity here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, but the drawdown is huge here. From here to here, it went down 33.48%. So exactly during this bull run, the indicator has lost a lot of entries, and I am in 1 hour. Let's go in 30 minutes. Yes, much worse and very bad. Let's see our magical 13 minutes. Nothing. 5 minutes. Wow, this is interesting. So it's profitable on the 3 minutes. So 1 hour is good, but it went pretty bad lately. Otherwise, it would have been very, very good. 20 and 40. Interesting. Let's try 50 and 100. It's smoothed out a little bit the slope, but it's still going down a lot here. And I would assume this is happening here. You know, it's ranging. But let's try. But 5 minutes maybe is too low for this kind of approach. Let's take 5 and 13. Oh, we get some trades here. 34. Okay. Not very good. Huh. Let's increase it a little bit more. The fast EMA. Are we getting closer? Looks like, but not really. In a way. Let me go to 22 here. Oh, and let me choose enable EMA filter. And let me put 50 or 55. No, not good. Nope. 5 and 20. Not very good either. Yeah, we need to filter this out with going higher, definitely. Let's go 10 and 20. Let me try 15. Now 17 and 31. Ding, 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 ding. Not working, not working, not working. There are so many swings in such a small time frame. That's the problem. It's a little bit too much, I guess. 5 minutes. Let's go for 200 here. And let's switch this to 15 minutes. Dun, dun, dun. Not very appealing results, right? Let's go back to the drawing table. 20 and 50, 40. Not very good. But let me go to this 100 and put 34 here or 50. Uh, 15 with 35. No good. Let's close this for now. It's even worse. And there are quite a lot of trades. Huh. Wow. Look there. Hello, Aziz. What you are looking at right now for today? This is the best one so far. But of course the drawdown is not very nice. It's quite big. But this one looks good. Otherwise, very nice slope, especially right here in this 50 trades. But this is 1 hour though. Let's see in 30 minutes. 39, 15, 2 hours, 362, 4 hours, 341. Yeah, this is huge, the drawdown. Let's see if we can get that lower. Let's increase this to 15. No. What about 20? Can you please tell me if the music is too loud? Do you hear any music in the background? 25. No good. Let me go to 9 then. 24 still. Thank you. Thank you for the feedback. Okay, look here. So we went down a little bit from 24 to 18. Let's see. Nah. 6 is very low. Okay, 5, 4. Are you kidding me? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me go back to 7, or what was that? 8? Yes, it was 7. Let's see if we go higher here to 40. Not really. 50? 80? Yeah, no good. 60? Even worse. 45? No good. 30? Oh yeah. Look here. So let's go a little bit down with this number right here. Yeah, well, not really. Was it 29? No, 30 I think, or 31. Yeah, 30. Okay, let's do something now. Let's try to filter out with the EMA filter. Now looks better. It's still high at 20%, which would mean quite risky. Let's sync this to 100 and see if it, or 400, let's see. 555. Come on. Are you stuck now? Okay, not very big impact. 350, let's say. Okay, it went down. 300. No, 360, 370. Let's see if we enable the RSI. Close position early if price crosses EMA. Let's see. No. Okay, let's see, where is that? 350 was it? Yeah, 340. 320. 40, no. 330. Yeah. But can you hear any music in the background, or it's only me talking? Maybe you would like the music a little bit louder to be able to hear it. Okay, let's see. So this filter did not really do what I expected to do. It reduced a little bit, but at the exchange of the net profit. So where is the RSI? Okay, let's try to enable the RSI and go here and make it 150. 50. Yeah, of course. It would not have any impact in that area. 55, 40, 30, 70. Let me increase this. 3, 55. No. Okay. But I forgot that this is on the 2 hours time frame, which I think it's a little bit high for my preference. We can see even for 1 hour it was not really good. But for 2 hours looks quite decent actually this. Let me enable sharing and save this and export it to have it there. TradePro general export. I did not copy it. We should get it shared pretty soon. It's good to have it since I discovered it. I don't know, maybe if I have more candles, but it, even if it's higher than what I would like it to be, like you see the trend, like it's it goes up and up. So I really like how this worked. Now, if we can filter this, we got it, yes, here, cool. If we could filter this noise somehow. Wow, we got so many losses in a row. Maybe even 15 minutes is, it's too little. Let's try 30 minutes now. Okay, so now I will need to to reduce these ones. We've been in a higher time frame. Yeah, if that's has something to do. Let's try this 50 and 100. Let's try to have less. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but as you can see guys here, this is too big. 22.45. I don't like this. It had a very nice run right here, as you can see, and this is decent for this amount of trades, for 35 trades. The profit factor is okay as well, but of course the sample is very small. This is another problem. So we'll need to work with smaller EMAs. Let's go with 30 and 100. Okay, some improvement, but worse drawdown, as we can see this dip right here. 34 and 71. Are these Fibonacci numbers? I know 34 is, but I don't know about 71. Let's don't do anything there. Let me put 120 here. Let's see what's happening. Okay. We got the drawdown down quite a lot. Let's make this 200 too big, way too high. By the way, what is your favorite way of trading? Yeah, I know about that. That's a real challenge to find backtesting, to find settings that you will run and have winning trades in your backtesting, and after that using replay. Maybe did you use replayed? No, and I will tell you why. Because a lot of people are focusing only on what they get in the amount of candles they see when you use your settings, you know. So that's the issue. I don't think there are people testing and using reply. You don't know about replay? Okay. The thing is, it might be a little bit too much, but when you tested, for example, you back tested only 1-2 months after the period you tested first time, a very interesting, a good way to that's easy. I mean, like, if you want to see what results will you get if you backtest in that period, in the previous period of the period you are finding in, you tested already, to see if you get consistent results, because you will have configs that you will have decent results in that period, and you will have configurations or settings which will not be very good. So that could be a test. Like, let's say, like in this case, I have this 31 trades, and I want to do that. So I just go back, I just scroll back until the first trade, and from the first trade I use replay, right? And I can get the results for the previous amount of 10,000 candles. You understand? But that might be a little bit too much. There is backtesting Investopedia. I was reading this article. I will leave the link to you. Maybe you are interested to read this. It was posted in TradePro Discord as well. It's very important to be aware of that. And if we look at this picture right here, this is what I want to say. Like, you will have in sample and out of sample and forward performance, right? And you want to test, like, if this is 100%, if this is 100% of the candles, 10k candles, then you want to test only approximately 70%. And after that, after you finished and you got the results, you test in the out of sample as well. So you will use most of the time choose the period you want to trade to test it in, right? But the easier way would be to use the replay, but then you have much more than only 30%. You will get 100%. You are back testing this, and you run a replay from here and here, which will be 100%, like in the on the right? So you have much higher chances that this will not work. But when you do this, you have a little bit higher chances for that to work, because what you tested in sample, it's 70%, and you need to accommodate this 70% to 30% more. I don't know if did I lost you? But I suggest you to read this article, go through it, and make an idea if you did not read it already. But yeah, this is very important. And yeah, most of the people are not taking that into account. Most of the people are considering only their results right here, and they are just focusing on their next trades. So they count this is an approach that actually people are making money. I know at least 2 people doing this. So they find good settings. I don't know if they test back or not, but I know that if they have winning settings, they will run the settings until they get 1 loss and see how bad is that loss, and maybe sometimes 2 losses or something like that. But they will consider it afterwards. So you can, and afterwards they just tweak the settings again. But it's not easy. It requires a lot of time, of course. And this with the 3 EMA indicator. Let me see. Yeah, as we can see, let's say that I tested these settings, right? And I'm happy with them, and I want to see how it goes further back in time. And I choose the replay function, and I choose this candle right here. And now it will run the backtesting on this period. And guess what? It's much better in this period, lol. As you can see, this was good. Yeah, but this won't happen very often, but sometimes it happens, yes. Yeah, this is very nice slope and graph, of course. And drawdown went down as well. Regarding the drawdown, it might be something about this strategy that it might make it much more difficult to get the drawdown as low as with the other one. Because here you'll have much longer trades. You'll have trades when you will have open a position and it will go for hours or maybe even days at times, right? So it's different. But I think there is another factor to this as well. So when you are borrowing money, if you use leverage, so then you need to take into account these taxes as well. There are so many implications, but you know what, man? What I recommend you, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. Don't take my word for it. But how I'm doing this, I just set up a testing account. I just put $100 and test with that. Use any amount of money that you are comfortable to lose to test. You can use paper trading as well if you are good to do that. I don't like, personally, I just don't like. If I don't lose any dollars, I'm not motivated at all. If I'm not losing or winning at least a little bit, even a insignificant amount of money, right? So I would do just that, and then just try to run the bot and see how it goes, because I can promise you that you'll encounter a lot of things that you did not expect. Like, for example, maybe some issues with the bot or with the signals or something. So start as quick as possible, because you will encounter a lot. Like, I had few weeks, well, when I got a lot of errors with many things. I did not understand exactly how things work, and it took a lot of time. Now I'm at least comfortable with the using Alertatron, and it's much easier. But still, don't wait too much. Like, if you want to learn, just start doing it. It's the best way to learn, just by screwing things up. Yeah. I think I need to finish it right now and go to put to sleep my my son, because it's getting a little bit late. Thank you for stepping by, guys. Thank you for talking to me, and see you tomorrow night. I'll see if I manage to do this in the weekends as well. At least I'm trying to do it during the week, but I will see if I manage to do it tomorrow as well. I might do it. Yeah, it was nice to talk to you guys. Good luck, Laban. And yeah, don't forget to use Discord also. If you have any questions, contact me. Don't hesitate. And I'll try to help you the best I can. Have a good evening, guys. Or whatever time of the day is there you are from.